Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction and SPX. Of course, we're gonna see what happened today and what it might happen next. This is intraday. Starting on the 2-hour chart today in the live stream as well, we said it might of course simply continue toward the upside, taking the all-time high. We are impulsive, and this looks like a finished wave 4 here, of course touching almost the 0.23 on the linear chart, and then moving simply toward the upside. Currently we are looking for a wave 5 in the brackets yellow, and of course to finish a wave 3 in the yellow round shape here. And the targets, of course, are taken from this wave 1 here, potentially, and based on the wave 3 as a wave 5. So next target, I would like to say, or I would like to see it around the 22K 900. So yeah, there is a possibility, of course, that we move towards this. We might be in double 1-2 as well. Don't forget 1-2-1-2. You might see a wave 3, 4, and a 5, a 4 and a 5 toward the upside. The all-time high might be taken, of course, during this move, wave 3 toward the upside. You would like to see it, by the way, because it is a wave 3 at the end. It is the most impulsive. And you would like to see, of course, like a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 moving toward the upside and taking the all-time high. So basically, I would say everything is working fine and perfect, and nothing to complain about it. Again, of course, everything looks as expected, guys. So the targets, don't forget that it can be as well simply taking the high. I'm not saying that, of course, the wave 5 will reach 100% this area. Don't forget that once you take the high here in 5-wave structure finished, meaning be careful, it might of course start to drop for a wave 4 again. So this is regarding the Nasdaq. Let's see the SPX, what it did today. Awesome, very perfect. So we took the high finally, as expected as well. We were looking, of course, for this wave 5 here and wave 3 at the same time to see it taken and having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 almost finished, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You would like to see one more wave for 5. Let's dive inside it on the micro level here. As you can see, you have 1, 2. Wait a second. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect. And we have a 1, 2, 3 right now, 4, and a 5. So yes, as expected as well on the 1-hour chart, we still have one more leg toward the upside. You would like to see this unfolding, of course, as a perfect wave 5 extended. However, don't forget that we took the high again. It can start to move towards the downside once you finish 5-wave structures. Yeah, so and starting for the next move, which it is of course the next one, the wave 4 in the blue count, which it might be of course, yeah, based on the new pricing. Here we go. It might be a little bit higher. The higher it goes, the higher the fib levels of this wave forward goes higher. Of course, it's gonna be updated later on. But basically, this is almost where it might top here. We might see a 5,850 or around it. Yeah, so basically everything looking great. I mean, everything is perfect as expected in this scenario. We have 1, 2 currently, and we're looking for a wave 4. This wave 2 here is also looking very flat, meaning you might have a zigzag here, guys. Okay, we might have a zigzag, and definitely we need a zigzag to reach the 0.23 in case we top over there. So very obviously, so potentially we might get it, and then continuation toward the upside again for a wave 3 in the yellow, right? Here we go. Yes, so 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So here we go. Yep, so these are basically the scenarios and the possibilities, targets, everything related to SPX and Nasdaq intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.